Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete WorldRemit account. Okay, first things first, open your browser and go to WorldRemit's official website. Sign in then to your WorldRemit account. After that, click on the three horizontal lines, usually indicating a menu in the top left corner. Then navigate to the Help option. Here in the Help option, find the option labeled My Account. So click on My Account to access your account information. Scroll down to find the option How do I close my WorldRemit account? Click then on the relevant link or button associated with closing your account, because it might direct you to the contact customer support that will provide you the specific answer. And as simple as it is, hopefully this answers your question. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now delete WorldRemit account. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.